Saic MG recently introduced the MG7 equipped with NGP Intelligent Pilot-Assisted Driving System. In terms of appearance, focusing on sport style and full of British style, MG7 adopts a low and dynamic design, wide radial air intake grille and sharp headlights on both sides, making the front face look quite radical and dynamic. Has a strong sense of style. The smooth lines on the body sides, the sliding back design and the frameless doors give the vehicle a ready-to-go feel. Body dimensions are 4884/1889/1447 mm in length, width and height and wheelbase respectively. It is 2778 mm. Such a body shape makes it belong to the main level in the mid-size car class. At the rear of the car, there is a 3-stage electric rear wing that can be opened automatically or manually depending on the vehicle's speed. It can further increase the downforce of the rear at high speeds. The taillights adopt a crossover-type design with 4 exhaust outlets on each side, making the rear of the car look more performance-oriented and at the same time well-recognized. From the perspective of the interior, the overall design of the MG7 is relatively simple, using a T-shaped center console layout. The dual screen consisting of a 10.25-inch LCD instrument panel and a 12.3-inch central control screen is also a popular design. There are basically no physical buttons in the vehicle. There are not many features that stand out personally in terms of appearance and design, and the interior is even more technological. In terms of configuration, it provides Zebra Roselle cockpit system, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip, AR-HUD head-up display, Bose 14-speaker audio system, NGP Intelligent Driving Assistance System and other functions. Currently, this NGP Intelligent Driver Assistance System is available as an option on only 2 models. In terms of power, the MG7 we drove is equipped with a 2.0T turbocharged engine with a maximum power of 192 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 405 Nm. It is paired with a 9-speed manual transmission and the official acceleration time to 100 km is 6.5 seconds. Thanks to the NGP Smart Driving Support System brought by this upgrade, we can also see the attitude and determination of the Saic MG brand towards the smart driving journey. It is believed that Saic MG will continue to accelerate investments and updates in relevant technical fields in order to provide users with the comfort and safety of smart driving.